If you think trading is a quick way to get rich, this video might save you thousands of dollars. But if you're willing to learn the right way, I'll show you how people actually make money in trading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This isn't going to be some get-rich-quick talk. This is the real game. Today, we're talking about trading, what it really is, how beginners should start, and the biggest mistakes that destroy most people before they even get results. Trading is not gambling, but most people turn it into gambling. Real trading is about probabilities, discipline, and risk management, not luck. You're not trying to win every trade. You're trying to win over time. Think of it like this. Professional traders don't chase money, they manage risk. And that's the biggest mindset shift beginners need. Let me save you from the most common mistakes. Number 1, starting with real money too early. You need practice first. Number 2, over trading. More trades doesn't mean more profit. It usually means more losses. And number 3, following random signals or influencers. Blindly, if you don't understand why you're entering a trade, you shouldn't be in it. Here's how I recommend you start. Step 1, learn the basics. Understand charts, trends, support, and resistance. Step 2, use a demo account. Treat it like real money and build discipline. Step 3, focus on risk management. Never risk more than a small percentage of your account on a single trade. This alone puts you ahead of most beginners. Trading is not easy. You will lose trades. Everyone does. The difference is successful traders don't quit after losses. They learn, adapt, and stay consistent. If you're looking for fast money, trading will frustrate you. But if you're patient, disciplined, and willing to improve it, can become a real skill. My honest advice, don't compare yourself to others online, and don't believe everything you see on social media. Focus on learning, not earning at the beginning, because the money comes as a result of skill, not luck. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more real content about trading mindset and improving your skills. I'll see you in the next video.